Hey, welcome to Living in Laguna Beach. My name is Ryan.Huggins and I'm a Laguna Beach real estate agent. And if you want to know everything there is to know about living in Laguna Beach and the surrounding areas, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn on the bell for notifications so that we don't ever miss out on a video when we come out with one. In today's video, we have an incredible home tour of a property here in Laguna Beach. And this one is 2085 Temple Hills Drive. And this property is 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and it is brought to you by Arbi and Sarkissian with Coldwell Banker Hallmark. And this property is currently listed for $3,995,000. Let's take a look. All right, welcome to 2085 Temple Hills Drive. Today we have a 5 bedroom, 5 bathroom, beautiful canyon and ocean view. As we walk into the grand entrance here, we have this beautiful lighted area. First and foremost, these amazing pivot doors here. Just the presentation of this is phenomenal. Take a look at this, your entryway. And then we'll take a little look back out into the street. So what's beautiful about this too, you do have this amazing wraparound driveway where you can park. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parkings here. Plus you do have the 2-car garage, which actually has extended walls for the extra size in there as well. And we'll walk up to our next pivot door into our 3,809 square foot beautiful home. Let's take a walk straight onto the balcony and look at this view. I was speaking with the owner a little earlier and he said it's literally National Geographic out here. There is a neighborhood hawk that lives here and trains its babies, and you can watch that in real life time. So we also have that phenomenal ocean view out there. Look, you can see the boats just cruising here. Let's go ahead and get a little zoom in there. You got the sailboat out there, power boat, but also just take a look at that canyon view. All the homes over there on the hill. Now you will notice there are some flags in the video here. That is actually the tree line. So the neighbor down below is not allowed to grow their trees above that, which is fantastic. So your view will never be impacted, which is very nice. The breeze out here is really nice. We'll also take a look down there. It has an actual yard fenced in, which is really nice. So as you can see here on the patio, we take a look back around. The opposite end of the patio here, we'll walk into the master, where you can see these really grand doors. You can see plenty of air that flows through this whole house, the open concept, which is great. This right here being the formal dining area, you can use it for that. You can use your imagination and do it however you like. You got the beams in the ceilings. And obviously, we walk this way from the entrance and we come into this incredible kitchen. If you are a chef or you love to cook, you are gonna be absolutely in awe with this kitchen. First and foremost, the stove here. Look at this stove. By American Range, this right here is actually industrial strength. Like this right here is professional grade, and that is phenomenal to have for your house. 6-burner stove. It does also have the griddle, but it has the double oven, which is really great. But look at all of these cabinets as well. You do have the really nice Viking refrigerator, side-by-side freezer there. And you got cabinets all around the bottom. You can see the dishwasher, all stainless steel appliances. You even have the cabinets on the island, the drawers on the island. Looks really nice over here. So you got your kitchen. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like from this angle. Beautiful windows here too. So while you are cooking, get a nice little ambiance there. And here is the wide angle. But so while you're cooking, doing dishes, hanging out with your friends, entertaining, you still get that ocean breeze, canyon view, ocean view. And then we walk over here to our living room. And this is set up as the living room. You could mix and match, do it however you would like, of course. But you can see this really fantastic bar. It is set up for perfect for entertaining in that kitchen, as we talked about. Over here, you can put your either giant, it would fit a very large kitchen table, dining room table, or as you can see here, it has a very large sofa, which you can place in there as well. And then of course, I mean, just looking here, you don't even need a TV. You just watch the birds fly, the birds chirp, nature outside, which is really nice. But if you do want to set up a TV, obviously you have that there. And then just wrapping around so you can have an idea of what we just came from, which was over here, and you wrap back around into the dining room setup that we have. And that'll lead us into our first bedroom here, which will be the master bedroom, which is just off the entry. And once we walk into the master here, you can see tons and tons of space. This thing is very large, which is great. Almost all homes in Laguna Beach have this very large layout for their master bedrooms, which is nice. We'll hit it up from a different corner angle. This does also have the full-on walk-in closet, which is nice. Plenty of room. See, and then over here we have the master bathroom. So we'll go ahead and turn on the lights so you can get a better view in here. You can see it has the double vanity, the nice backsplash on the wall. Got your shower. And of course your tub. And the tub does also have the shower head as well. You got this beautiful window bringing in natural sunlight, and it is a jetted tub. And then of course the beautiful part, as you wake up in the morning in your grand master bedroom, we'll take a look from this corner now. It does walk right out onto that patio like we talked about in the intro. And boom. So you've got these huge windows also bringing in all of that natural light. You step right out here onto the patio. Come stretch out in the morning. Take a look at your view. There's that hawk we were talking about earlier. And you can see this is actually a rather large patio, so really great for entertaining tons of people. You can see you have it set up where you can put the heater out here, nice swing. This table is pretty large, and you still have plenty of room to gather, stand up, hang out. Now, as we walk back into the master, we'll walk back into the main room that we came through, leading us back to the dining room setup. And that brings us to the other side of the room over here, which is the second and third bedroom. So this first level has 3 of the 5 bedrooms. And so as we go on this side over here, we come into the 2 bedrooms on the opposite side. Now the beautiful thing is over here is if you have this as your room for the kids, you have this door that separates the 2 rooms. So if you did have people over entertaining for a dinner party and you had to put the kids down early, they would be completely shielded from most of the sound, and you could still enjoy your company while the kids are sleeping early. And so over here we do have bedroom number 2. You can see it does also have bedroom number 3 connected to it. And you can see this one does have the beam ceilings in the bedrooms also. This will bring in the natural light from the front of the house. You can see the 2 closets there. And then taking a look back into that first bedroom, there is the closet there. And these 2 bedrooms do also have their bathroom that they share over here. And as you can see, This one has the single vanity set up with the tub and the shower in here. And then of course, the bathroom. All right, so that leads us to this door over here, which is gonna be your linen closet. And then we'll take a look back over onto this side. And that is the other bathroom. So this is gonna be the third bathroom on the first floor. Hey, everybody. All right. And then now we're back onto the main level. And let's go ahead and walk downstairs and take a look at the second floor. Take a look back. That entrance is just so cool. Really love that entrance. Oh, while we're here, actually, before we head downstairs, let's take a look at the garage. So again, we mentioned this earlier. This is a 2-car garage, but it does have the expanded wall section. So you can actually add some extra storage in here. And it is finished. You can see the tile on the floor, but you can see how deep the walls are. A lot of times garages are right up next to the actual door. This one has some space on either side of the door. You can even see that they have the built out section over there for storage as well. Washer dryer hookup right here. And then now that will bring us, we'll head downstairs. So again, just taking a look, we have the entrance, the bedroom master over here, kids' rooms over there, and then you have the patio over here. And then you have your full kitchen, which leads us to the downstairs section, which will have us with the 2 bedrooms, and they are actually suites for themselves. So they both have their own restroom as well. But also down here, this thing has its own living room as well. Like you can do your living room setup. So let's say you have your family living here. You can have half your family living down here. You know, your older kids or your mother or whatever the case may be. And you have them living down here. And then over here is one of the bedrooms on this first level. And we'll go ahead and open up this window section here. Get some of this light. All right, so this is a pretty big room actually. So I'm over here on this side. You can take a look here. We'll go check out the backyard here in just a couple of minutes. And we'll go over to this other corner so you can get a feel for the size of this. And then here we have the closet for this bedroom. So you can see you got this side, that side. Let's go ahead and flip the light on so you can get an idea and a feel for the size of this thing. Okay. And then over here, we have the bathroom for this bedroom down here. So you can see this one has a very deep tub, which is nice. The shower. And the beautiful part is down here is you can use your imagination and set this up however you like. Now, as we walk back into the living room, gym, poker room, whatever you would like to do down here, we walk across to the opposite side. This is currently set up as an office, but this is a bedroom as well. You just put the closet door back up there, or you may want to use this as an office as well. And then that brings us over to this room's bathroom. It's got that same deep tub, same design, basically twin bedrooms on either side of this lower level. So again, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. And now we'll go ahead and head out to the backyard. Oh, actually, let's take a look here. This is also a closet, already built as a closet or storage for the office. It does also have that other side over there that could be used as well. Then we walk outside to the backyard, and we'll go to the left first. You can see here, it does have its own private entrance. So if you wanted to have, like I said, the other part of your family living down here, they would simply be able to come down here and have their entrance down here. You can see this is set up, the backyard right now. It has this fire pit here. It's really nice outdoor furniture. Let me show you that. See if we can see that hawk. Yeah, not very much. But he's like the resident hawk, so he'll be your pet. Now over here, we have the setup for the barbecue area, which we'll take a look at. But I wanted to go ahead and show you the size and feel of the backyard and a look at the house from this angle as well. And we'll come over here now. It does have a split unit AC, so AC for upstairs, AC for downstairs, which is really nice because sometimes, like if you're sleeping upstairs and someone downstairs wants it extra cold or whatever the case may be, it gets frustrating. But with this one, you can set your own temperatures upstairs and downstairs. So you can obviously set this thing up. It's been used, so continue that usage if you live here as well. And now we'll go ahead